Okay, so another new product that was launched today is from JBL. They've launched their new synthesis SCL-1 speaker and their SSW-1 subwoofer. This is a consumer slash professional grade loudspeaker and subwoofer. This is really designed for custom installation in high-end home theaters. It's really powerful. Should give you very good performance overall, like, or some of the very best performance if you ask me. So the SCL-1 is like a custom installation loudspeaker that is an ultra premium high channel count immersive solution, so you can have multiple of this in your home theater and be able to perform good immersive sound reproduction. So you get the advantage of having a custom the company's SDP-75 immersive surround processor, and it also has the SD amplifiers in it. So this is really a powerful unit. You get a very good overall performance from such a powerful speaker overall. Like, if you're looking for some of the very best performance, this is where you get it. The same goes for the subwoofer as well. Subwoofer is built very well. It's a 15-inch woofer with a 6-inch voice coil. Features a dual front firing slipstream ports for tuning. Is built very well with a massive 2500 watts of RMS of power. The low frequency extension goes down to 13 hertz, and but the retail price for them is the speaker retails for $15,000, while the subwoofer retails for $7,500. Both products will go on sale in 2 months from now in March, and that is it. That's the new products from JBL, at least their professional speaker lineup, and that is all you need to know. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel, do like our content, follow on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.